Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited. Today is the first day that you can order the fall Curateur box. So this is formerly known as a Box of Style by Rachel Zoe, and I've been getting this box for a long time. I love it. It makes me feel really bougie and chic and stylish like Rachel. But this is probably my bougiest box. I call it like my bougie box. I won't even get into it this time. I'm a dork, I know. It is $99. I do have a coupon I will leave down below that I believe saves you $25. And that's a big chunk of money. That's like 25% of the total cost. But you get over $400 worth of items that are curated by Rachel herself. And they are so good. Last season, summer, I feel like I was just opening, but it was my favorite yet. I don't know what's coming in the fall box. I have not peeked. If you do subscribe, you get to select or curate 1 to 2 items. But this was kindly sent to me free for review, not sponsored or anything like that. But yeah, very grateful. So I don't know, I didn't curate anything, or I didn't customize anything, I should say. Let's just get it open. I can't wait any longer. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them pretty often on our channel. I'm trying to get to a more regular schedule. I think this is day 4 in a row. So if you love subscription boxes too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribed. And if you hear anything in the background, like my cat that has a weird thing for boxes and tape, I put that up there so she would go in the box and be cute in the background. I didn't realize she'd be chewing, but yeah, that's Emmy. So she's usually the one rubbing against the tripod. Emmy, what are you doing over there? Come show your cute face. But anyways, when you open it up, there's a magazine right on top. It like legit is a magazine, and that's Rachel Zoe if you guys are unfamiliar. I should probably stop Emmy, shouldn't I? Emmy, come here! But yeah, it talks about the products inside and more. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Bougie, yes. And then all the items are wrapped up in tissue. Let's see. Let's look at this purse. This looks like it's going to be like a shawl or something. Like, oh, my hair got caught in it. Looks like it's super pretty. The colors are so fall and pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is by Parrish, LA. Los Angeles, I'm guessing. Oh my god, what is it? I'm so excited. It's a one size. Where I live, it is very warm. I know I say this all the time, but I still love stuff like this. This is so pretty, whatever it is. Does it say? Well, whatever this is $148. Damn. Oh my god, yeah, it is like a shawl. Oh my god, yes, it is. I love this. Oh my gosh. Was Rachel wearing this? Yes! Oh my god. Like, doesn't go with my purple outfit. Like, legit purple short. I love this so much. Oh my god. Great start. Very fall. So cute. I love it. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I wanted to bring it on my plane ride to Barcelona. Let's move on to the next item. Nay Macan. Is this a candle? I have a feeling it's going to be a candle. Oh my god. If you don't know me, I love subscription boxes, I love cats, and I love candles. If you guys do know me, you're like, I know, and it is a candle. Bougie candle. Yes. Oh my god, it smells good. And it's so pretty. Yes, this is one of those you keep after. You can use it as a plant, or like, so, like I like to use little things like this to hold like my eyeliners or whatever on my desk. Like legit, like brush here, stuff like this. Oh my gosh. So it's obviously my style. It smells good. What's the scent? Kind of smells like soap, but like good soap, you know? I can pretend. Good soap. Yeah, very specific. Oh, cool. Look how she's wearing it. Like, not there. So Rachel is wearing it like the way I was. There's so many ways to style it, and I bet they show you in here too. It's a rose candle. $95 value. A $95 candle. Things like this just make me feel special. I love it, and I would never pay that myself, but even if you're paying full price for the subscription, it's like, yeah. Looks like we have some makeup next by Jillian Dempsey. Kohl eyeliner, contour, instant smoky eye, waterproof and natural. Intense color, built-in smudger, smooth application, and jet black noir. Yes. Ooh, I like the look of it. So there's a smudger on one end. I don't know if I've heard of Jillian Dempsey, but I don't know if I have any makeup. I like pencil liners. Something's like more hygienic about it. Ooh, yeah. This goes on really easily. Like, it's not too creamy soft, but it's not too hard. Like, sometimes they tug at your eye. Like, this seems like it's going to be really good. How much do you think it is? Does it say $20? Okay, that's a good price. They also have some, like, highlighters and blushes, I guess, on their website by Jillian Dempsey. Okay, I have a feeling this is jewelry. We always get the cutest jewelry. I'm, like, looking. I'm like, I'm sure I have something. Is this necklace from Baxter? I don't know, but I know one of my rings is, at least. This is by Oma, the label. I love the color of this kind of match. Looks like it's gonna be something pretty, and it's like a chain. I love chain things. Can't tell, is it a bracelet? Because I could use more of those. I have a lot of everything. Ooh, and this just looks, I love it. I don't have anything like this, even necklace-wise. That is really pretty. Let's put this on. And it's gotta be in here. Oh my god, everything is so cute. So I think this might have been a customization option because I see 2 bracelets on here. Oh, you could have gotten a necklace, earrings, or a ring maybe? I don't know, but the bracelet, yeah, okay, the bracelet was a choice item. And I like the one I got the best. This is $79, the other one's $89. So they're up here, so that's what I got. And that was the other option. Yes, let's put it on. Oh my god, even the clasp of this looks cool. But let's see how it goes on, because single girl problems getting jewelry on sometimes can be tough. I mean, what are you doing up there? Sometimes I like to just put it in the loosest link and slip it on. Let's see if that works for me. Because I don't want to edit this video. I want it just to be up as soon as possible for you guys so you can make a decision on what you think. If you want to get the box, if you want to see what's coming and you already subscribe. If you guys do get this, what did you choose? Oh, the clasp is actually super easy. I was making it harder than it is. I love it. Mix of this and my crystals. Oh my god, yes. I'm happy, girl. Yay. Now we have some skincare. Yes, I was guessing it would be skincare. Nuori. I've tried this brand before. This is Vital Repair Serum, Rehydrating and Soothing Antioxidant Complex. I mean, you're making our little, what is that even called? There's something on my window I got in God's Provisions that she just hit. A lightweight, intensely hydrating serum that calms and deeply rehydrates the skin while targeting both emerging and existing visible signs of photo damage. I just like gasp at the look of this. It's like basic, but I like how basic it looks. And it's a pump. Let's put a little bit on my hand. Oh, this looks like a creamy serum. It doesn't seem like it's fragrance, which is good. I don't mind fragrance, but I try not to put too much fragrance on my face. I save it for like my body, but this is nice. Yeah, I don't smell anything. Awesome, but I definitely feel hydrated. And it didn't really smudge that liner too much. Nice, or really at all. So that's long lasting, I would assume. Is that everything? You guys, I love this box. You get such nice things you normally wouldn't get, or I wouldn't normally get myself. Like, this is perfect and timeless. I feel like, anyway, oh my god. I'm like sweating. I got a sweat stash right now. But I don't care. Bless the AC once I turn this on. Smells so good. My bougie candle, bougie skincare. I'm like gonna morph into Rachel. I just gotta get a little blonder, I've got the longer locks. Maybe a little curlier. Yes. I think my favorite things are this, but I'll probably use this at least until I travel more just because I am in Florida. The bracelet I'll probably have on every day. The candle, I love it. You guys have to let me know what you think. Do you guys subscribe? And again, if you are not subscribed and you want to be a boo-hougie bitch, then I will leave the code down below to save $25 off your first box. And yeah, today's the first day you can order it, so I'm happy. And if you want to check out old boxes, I think the playlist is still called Box of Style playlist, but for any of the boxes I have here on our channel, you can look at past unboxings, so you can kind of get a better feel about what other boxes are like too. But I definitely recommend it. If you can afford it and you like what's inside, then go for it. Over $400 worth of stuff, very nice. Makes me feel very happy, like I'm like really treating myself, like I deserve them, because I do. And so do you if you want it. But anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my stuff, blast the AC so I can just wear this around the house and pretend I'm Rachel Zoe. Have you guys seen her children? They're like super cute, and I don't even like kids. They have like curly hair like her and big blue eyes. Seriously, if you guys know me, I never say that I like children. They're cute. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I love you so much. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye guys.